I'm going to show you how to do cream horns. Now for this you're going to need some of these little devils. Cream horn tins. You can get them off the internet, just search around. I paid about £5 for about 6 of them. I'm not going to say I'm a genius. Get yourself a little bit of puff pastry. Plenty of flour down. Now you've got to roll this fairly thin because it's going to be wrapped round and round those tins. Thin, and you also want it quite long. There we go. That's nice and thin. Get your knife. Cut the straight edge. Like that. And you want this about 1.5 inches wide. Strips out of that. There we go. Now, trim the edge straight. Now, what you've got to do, you've got to get your cream horns in, and you're going to have to grease it, because otherwise it'll stick to your tin, and you don't want that. Put some grease on your tin. I'll use that spray stuff, it's easier. There we go, that's nicely greased. Now, just trim that a little bit thinner. There we go. There's no exact science to this, as you probably realise. You've just got to trial and error. And what you've got to do now, you've got to wet it. Not too wet, because you don't want it slimy. Just dampen it to make it sticky. Right, so we now got it sticky. Start at the bottom. If you put your pastry at a 45-degree angle, you want to aim to get that roll of puff pastry halfway along the edge there, so that each half is covering the other half, like that, all the way up to the top, like that. Trim it off. There's your first one. Now, what we're going to be doing that in a little while, we'll let it rest. But when we let it rest, we're going to wet it, and we're going to dip it in some sugar so it's got a nice crunchy top on. But we've got to let it rest first. If we don't let it rest, what's going to happen? It's going to shrink. That's the thing with all pastries. You have to let pastry rest before you use it. If you don't let it rest, it will shrink and it will be hard and tough. And we don't want that. So, a little bit of water, not a lot, remember, you're only making it damp. You put too much, it'll slide on your product and it'll just fall apart. That's with anything with pastry. You put too much water on, it doesn't stick it just makes it fall apart. So, go at 45-degree angle again, start at the bottom and just work your way up. I know people say that I make things look easy. Well, maybe in the bakery section I do, but on this video section, if you listen to my Facebook page, you'll know that I made a right mess of this the other day. I did all these, spent a full day in the kitchen, only to find that I hadn't put the sound on the video. So we're doing it all again a second time. Never mind, just means the neighbours get more food to eat. And those basically are your cream horns.